Overview of shamanic healing. Shamanic healing is a holistic approach to wellness that addresses the physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual aspects of a person's being. Unlike conventional medicine, which focuses on treating symptoms, shamanic healing seeks to uncover and address the root causes of illness and imbalance. By working with the subtle energies of the body and the spirit world, shamans help individuals to release blockages, restore balance, and reclaim their natural state of health and vitality. This approach recognizes that true healing involves more than just the physical body. It requires a deep transformation of the entire being. The shaman as healer. Through their connection, shamans can access healing energies and guidance from the spirit world, which they then channel into their work with clients. Shamans may use a variety of techniques such as energy clearing, soul retrieval, and ritual ceremonies to facilitate healing and transformation. However, the true power of the shaman lies not in their techniques, but in their ability to connect with the divine and act as a vessel for healing energies to flow through. Understanding energy imbalances. Shamanic healing is based on the principle that all living beings are made up of energy, and that imbalances in this energy can lead to illness, emotional distress, and spiritual disconnection. Shamans work with the subtle energy systems of the body, including the chakras, meridians, and aura, to identify and address blockages or disturbances that may be contributing to a person's symptoms. By clearing and balancing these energy systems, shamans help to restore harmony and vitality to the individual, allowing for healing and transformation to take place on all levels of being. Clearing and cleansing. Shamans use a variety of techniques to clear and cleanse the energy field, including smudging, drumming, chanting, and energy work. Smudging involves burning sacred herbs such as sage, cedar, or sweetgrass to purify the energy field and remove negative or stagnant energies. Drumming and chanting are used to create rhythmic vibrations that help to break up energetic blockages and restore balance to the body and mind. Energy work involves channeling healing energies from the spirit world and directing them into the energy field of the individual to promote healing and well-being. Integration and self-care practices. After a shamanic healing session, it's important for individuals to take time to integrate and process their experiences. This may involve resting, journaling, spending time in nature, or engaging in other self-care practices that nurture and support the healing process. By honoring and integrating the insights and energies received during the session, individuals can deepen their healing journey and embody the changes that have taken place on a deeper level. It's also important for individuals to continue their self-care practices in the days and weeks following a session, as healing is an ongoing process that requires commitment and dedication. By taking an active role in their healing journey and prioritizing self-care, individuals can continue to cultivate health, vitality, and well-being in their lives.